My name is Fateh and I have gotten this electronic robotics kit. So look, it has like a pet bot, a drawing robot. I think that you have seen this like a lot of times on your YouTube feed, and also this laser alarm. I'm gonna build the laser alarm because I don't want my little cousins to touch my Legos. So, and I still have my father here.
Hello.
Yes. So we have, first of all, we have this thing. I don't know what it is.
This is the base.
This is the base. Now you can make anything that you want, but I've already told you I'm gonna be making the laser alarm. The instruction booklet. Let me just open this.
Wheels.
These are the wheels for the robot, the pet robot.
Fan blades.
I don't know what the fan blade is for.
One more base plate.
It's a robot.
We have some clay.
Yeah, here you go, some clay. Here.
Screws.
So yeah, screws, bolts. I don't know what these plastic things are.
Battery pack.
Yeah, the battery box.
Tape.
Masking tape.
Connectors. This is a geared motor.
Yeah, this is a geared motor.
This is a pump.
Pump? What is the pump for?
This is if you want to build something which will use liquids such as sanitizer or water, something like that. Okay. This is to check if it's all straight or not. This is to measure things. Okay. This is a motor, DC motor.
Like the drone motor.
They are given some pins.
For the drawing kit? No, not the drawing kit. The electronic drawing robot thingy.
This is a sound bar.
Yeah, this is the sound bar.
Okay. This is laser.
This is the laser. This is the main thing that we're gonna use.
This is LED indicator.
LED indicator. This is also for the laser alarm.
This is a LDR. This will be used for the security alarm.
Okay.
Okay. This is a motion sensor.
Okay, motion
If
sensor.
something comes near it, it will detect it and it will sound an alarm and also light up some LEDs.
Okay.
Okay. This is a mirror. This is also going to be used for security alarm. And this is the main thing. This is the processor. Okay, we're going to connect.
Look. And look, here is a laser. Okay, here is the input. Here is the power. And I don't know what.
LED bulb.
Yeah, LED bulb.
This is capacitor. This is a transistor.
This is the output, reverse, and the reverse logic.
Yeah. So we're going to start making it.
Yes. Hello. Yeah. So I have put the batteries in the battery box, and we have selected all of the parts now. Okay. So we also have this whole entire base. We will use this base because it's like the main thing, and also these things. Okay. There's another one like this. I don't know what this is used for.
We have to put these here like this. Okay, both of them like this, and then on the opposite side, we screw this up. Okay. Put in some screws. Give me the screwdriver from there.
The screwdriver. Where is the screwdriver?
It's with the sketch pens.
Here is a screwdriver. Give it to me.
Start.
Hello. So yeah, we are gonna place this double-sided tape, one for the processor and the other for the battery pack. Here.
Like this.
Okay.
Place it like this.
We'll place
And then
it.
Press. Okay. Good. Very good.
The screws are not aligning with each
No,
other.
it's okay. Take one more tape. Put it here. Right here.
Yeah. I hate this feeling.
Put it here.
Hello. Sorry that. Could you hear me?
And
I'll
now
see
we put
after
this
the video.
battery. Yeah. Put the battery here. Okay. That's it. Now you connect this to the power.
Okay. It will hang like this
Yeah.
only.
You will have to see the direction of the pin. No. Opposite.
Yeah, opposite.
Very well. Okay. Now it's pasted.
Yes.
Now for this build, for the security build, first we have to tape this. We need 3 tapes now.
Okay.
Yeah, 3 tapes. Okay.
Okay.
We'll take the big tapes.
Yes, we'll take the big tips.
Okay. Right. So take one tape and put it here.
Where?
Here. Like this. See, they have put a cut here, na? So we put it here. Like this. Like this. Okay. And you add LDR, laser,
Yeah.
laser detected here.
Here.
Yeah, it should be like this. Okay.
Oh.
Yeah. Okay. Now you have to connect it with
The laser.
3-pin and 3-pin connector. See, 3-pin,
Okay.
3-pin, and 3-pin connector. Okay. You have to look at the direction. Press. Is that the correct direction? Or
Yes.
are we doing it
It
opposite
is the
side?
correct direction. No, it is the correct direction, Papa.
Okay.
Okay. See.
And put this
Put
on
this.
the input part.
But this is a laser.
Yeah.
You have to put on
No,
the
no.
laser.
This is the input.
Okay.
Okay. Press.
Okay.
Very nice. Now another tape. Here.
I will put the other tape.
Another tape on the center part.
As this. Look, it has
Okay. Yeah.
cottage in the middle. Here.
Yeah. Okay. And put buzzer here.
This side.
Oh, no. Sorry. Not the buzzer. We have to put laser here.
Oh.
Like this. In this direction. Better.
Oh.
Like this.
And this.
Okay. See? We have the
We need
LDR,
2 by
and the
3.
laser.
2 by 3 wire now. 2 by 3.
We'll put it in the end. First, you can put one more tape
Okay.
this side and the last side.
This side.
Yeah.
Look. On the last side. Here, right?
Yeah, right. Put it here. Okay. Now we put this buzzer
Where?
here, like this.
Okay.
Okay. Put. That's great. Now we have to connect using 3x2 outputs.
3x2.
pin to 2 pin. Okay. So
This is
3
2
pin,
pin.
3 pin.
This
3
is-
pin, 3 pin, 2 pin, 2 pin. Here.
Okay.
Here. Put one here.
Okay, where is this wire? It's kind of a
This
mess of
goes
tangled
into the
wires.
output.
The laser goes into the output. Output or the laser compartment?
No, output.
But why?
Because this is one of the outputs. No?
Okay, we have placed it.
Yes. Okay. Now for the buzzer also. Take
The
this.
buzzer. But this is the buzzer.
Yeah, take this.
Oh, sorry. I thought that you were talking about this buzzer. What happened?
We put it in the wrong part.
See, I told you.
Yeah, you were right. Okay, now put it here.
Wait, now I have to. It has been 10 minutes already,
Doesn't
father.
matter. And we put it here.
After a few minutes, we will
Right?
stop this part.
No,
Right?
it's all done
No,
now.
it's okay.
Yeah, you take that mirror part,
Where
The
is
mirror?
the mirror? Yeah. Here is the
peel
mirror.
it off.
The most satisfying thing. How do I peel it off? How do I peel it off? How do I peel
Why don't
it
you
off?
peel it from the center part?
Center?
Like this. You
Oh,
take it like this.
So yeah, we actually have to use the clay. Look, this is the clay. We opened it already. We're supposed to put it into rectangles, and I also peeled this mirror. Now
Just
we're
have to
supposed to
put it.
just stick it.
Okay. And now it's all done. We just put it like this. Just leave it. Okay. Now we'll turn it on. Now we'll turn it on. See? Now it's on. Let's see if it's working or not.
It's not working. Yeah, so the batteries are the problem. We accidentally put dead batteries.
Now we turn
But
it
hey,
on.
yeah, now we turned it on.
Okay.
May there be light.
Now
Yes.
just cross it. Okay, just cross it.
Now what has happened?
I guess we need to put it like this. Now it's on. The buzzer is not sounding.
Okay, yeah, so I don't know what happened, but yeah, let's just do it already. Now let us do it. Where do we have to do it?
It's like this. Something like this. It was sounding just fine right now.
See?
Okay. Oh, this has to be like this. This has to be like this. Okay.
See?
See.
Wait.
Now, if somebody tries to pass his toy thing, so it will sound like this. Okay. If somebody tries to sneak up on your Legos,
Okay, that is all. And bye bye. You have just seen the random guys being out. Peace.